Hey guys, I'm gonna do an unboxing video for y'all. There we go. I got Sarah of the Inn, Volume 3. Sarah of the Inn, Volume 1. Attack on Titan, Volume 14. Attack on Titan, Volume 15. Golden Kamuy, Volume 3. Sarah of the Inn, Volume 2. Y'all know this one, Golden Kamuy, Volume 1. The light novel Goblin Slayer. See? I guess I'll show y'all an image. And Volume 2 of Golden Kamuy. Let me show y'all some. Look at that. Now, this will conclude the video. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, and have a great day. And this will be a pre-12 Days Anime opening, unboxing.